Hi, baby. What's going on there, Cooper?
Hey.
Oh, your mommy? No?
Now you're all on my... That's a beauty.
Yeah, thank you.
What kind of dog are they?
These are all German Shepherds.
German Shepherds.
Yeah.
And they make the best police dogs?
They do. So yeah, the three top are German Shepherds, Belgian Malinois, and Dutch Shepherds.
Oh.
Yeah, but we in the city of Vancouver are a breed specific to German Shepherds.
German Shepherds.
Yeah.
How old would this one be?
He's 3.
3?
Yeah, he's 3, and so we've been working for about 8 months together.
You've seen that new movie on TV?
No, I haven't yet.
It's great.
It is.
I think you're going to really like it since you work with them.
The sad thing with that is people go see those movies and they think they can have and handle those kinds of dogs. So in that movie's a Belgian Malinois, and those dogs are very, very high drive, a lot more than, even more so than some Shepherds are.
Right.
So what happens is they see these movies like, oh my gosh, I love that dog so much, I want to get one. They go buy it, they bring it home, and they realize how much work it is, how crazy they are, and then they just end up sending them back to the pound.
It's amazing in the movie how he goes from being wild to becoming his best friend.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Loyal to him and all the rest. Thank you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Now you're in my YouTube.
Oh no.
Yeah. Is this the special lady?
Yep.
Hey, where are you from? China? Japan? Oh, that's why you're practicing. Genki desu ka? Hi. Your Japanese accent sounded very good. Have a great... So you're going to be on it in a few days.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mark.
Mark? Okay.
Yuki.
Yuki. Nice to meet you. You guys have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye. Hi. He wants to be on camera. He's worried you're leaving. Oh.
No digging. Come on. No digging. Come on.
They're really going at it.
Yeah. Good. Gotta get that energy. Is
Sleep.
it GoPro?
Yeah.
Does it film like pretty close?
I
thought
can
it's kind
later when
Oh,
I
you can
edit
zoom
edit
in.
I can pull it up
Oh,
on
nice.
iMovie. Lets you as long as it's
Right.
in the frame.
And it stabilizes it that way.
Oh,
too,
yeah.
Right? Nice.
Are you a YouTuber? How do you know
I-
about cameras?
I scuba dive and I
Oh,
used to have
nice.
a GoPro to dive. I use a different camera now that has a good case, but I found the one problem that I had, but I don't think I never had a GoPro. I think the last one I had was like a 4.
Oh,
It
yeah.
never had a screen, and I always found that like even though it looked really close on the camera, it didn't look that close. And
This has this if you have it on, but
Yeah.
the problem is I carry 3 batteries, so I have enough for the day,
Oh,
and it
okay.
uses battery. Otherwise, I can look at myself here
yeah.
and hello, and I can see exactly the same as what I see here.
Right. Yeah, that makes sense.
This is the 9. There's a 10, a
Yeah,
newer,
I
a
was
newer
gonna say
one.
there's so many GoPros now.
One of the YouTube channels I like watching is I think it's called Critter something.
Okay.
He's in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And you might like it because
like a
it's
diving?
all diving,
Oh,
but
nice.
it's capturing
mackerel?
little
Yeah.
fish and things, and then talking about them.
Oh, I
and
love it.
Critter, I think it's Critter something.
Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, that was one thing that I found when I had a GoPro. Like, I'd see a seahorse and they're like this big. You gotta go so close.
Yeah.
To get, and I was like, I don't want to be like so invasive. What do you do with all your GoPro? Are you a YouTuber?
Hey.
Your mommy? No?
Now you're all on.